Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how do you sample in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it up, and after opening it you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application where we can get started with finding the instruments we want to play. We can plug in a guitar or play and so on, and we can even go ahead and record ourselves. So for today's video I'm going to go ahead and be using the audio recorder. Even though it works the same for any of the options that you open up, it will be the same menu, but let's go ahead and open up the audio recorder right here and get started with seeing how it works. So it's going to open up this recording menu right here where we can get started recording ourselves. As you can see at the top of the screen, using the big red circle, it's going to start recordings, and here we can even go ahead and find our sliders that we can use for managing our options for the audio and so on. But let's go ahead and see how to add samples. Basically guys, if you click the edit mode right here in the upper left corner, it's going to open up that mixing mode where you can see all your tracks and recordings that you have, and now we can get started with adding our samples. So here in the upper right corner, click on this button. That's going to open up this new menu where, as you can see, we will have our Apple loops. So here are your Apple loops and all the samples that you can use that are provided by Apple that you can go ahead and import into your GarageBand track and get started with seeing how they sound and start using them. But if you have your loops and your samples on your Files app in your iPhone directly, you can use the File section right here and click Browse Items to find that sample. You can go ahead and click on it to open it up, and then after that you can drag and drop it into your mixing studio right here and use that sample. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.